Hey, this is Bill, and for those of you old enough or young enough, if you have kids running around sometimes, you know, they don't want that fast food stuff, so you run and you get it, and somehow they manage not to eat it because they're too busy watching TV or something. So I had this great idea. So let's say you got some leftover French fry stuff, because I don't throw anything away, okay? I just take a piece of tin and throw everything in. Mozzarella sticks or chicken fry or whatever. So you gotta still keep feeding them, right? So what I did was I just piled them up on a piece of tin. I heat them up a little bit just to get the chill off. And I'm gonna dress them up. And we're gonna see if we can make something worthy of getting to stop watching TV for a minute. So I got some bacon here. Just go a little crazy. And this is good bacon. So, because everybody likes bacon. Unless you're vegan or something, but okay. Alright, so I got a lot of bacon on there. What else do I need? Oh yes, I need cheese. And I don't care if this makes a mess, because guess what? We don't have to clean it up. Yeah, we do. But they'll probably just lick the plate. Just avalanche. Alright. So what I really want to do, get this together. I'm going to put it in the oven. It's probably going to take about 2 minutes. Like I said, I already started to heat up the fries and stuff. So I really just want to get everything here melty happy. I'll set a timer so I don't forget, because sometimes I get talking. Alright, so that's not the healthiest thing you could ever do, right? So I'm like, what do I do? And kids are kind of weird about, or can be. Some kids are pretty flexible, like trying new things, but you know, some just go through phases. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide something healthy on it, okay? So I got an avocado. And I probably showed this moons ago, and I thought, oh, I'll show it again. Cut around it. And you're not supposed to do this, right? Take a big knife. Ooh. Oh my God, I hate when the pits don't want to come out. Alright. So, I got a big pit. And what am I going to do? I'm going to slice it. It's really cold. Could have left it out a little. And usually if you quarter it, it's easy to peel. That is if it's actually ripe. This is pretty ripe. This is a pretty good one. I hate when I go to the store and they're all rock hard and then they sit for a week and then all of a sudden they're on sale because they're rotted. Oh look, just about in time. And when you peel it, now some people love to take a spoon now. If it's really hard to peel, yes, you can take a spoon and you can scoop it. But I never had a problem. I just peel it. And I'll wash my hands. Don't want to handle a knife with slippery hands. So this is the part that has kind of where the stem was attached. We gotta get rid of that. Then what I want to do, I guess I'm going to kind of cube it up. Maybe if they don't recognize it, they're more apt to eat it, right? Gonna have quite a bit here. That's so I can eat some, right? Shoot, you could put a little balsamic vinegar on this and eat it. You could mix it in with some cottage cheese. So it's funny that the good avocado I saw, this one, it's a pretty good size. I didn't realize it. And I knew the pit was going to be big. You can kind of tell. Pick it up. Alright, look at that. We got some good stuff here. There it is. Sorry. I'm going to tell you a little trick about avocado. You can heat it up on things. You can heat it up on things. It'll taste amazing. So don't be shy. Even if this pan's hot, because it'll heat up, soften up. And whatever's left on this pan, you could grab some chips, like tortilla chips, and you could scrape the rest of that cheese up. Good to the last drop. Rinse this. So what would I do? I would get it out of the pan. You could put this piece of tin on a paper plate so that kids have something to eat off from. And the tin's going to cool down real quick, right? So that in itself kind of makes it a little more fun for them. This looks pretty good. Alright, so believe it or not, right here you got a couple options. One would be get the ketchup bottle, right, because that's what everyone's doing. But, you know, I make this, I call it Thousand Island dressing. It's not really, but it's pretty darn good. I use it in a lot of different things. And I'm thinking, I'm just going to drizzle some of this good, happy, chunky stuff on here. And back when I was young, anything that you thought might have any likeliness to the special sauce you'd get at McDonald's or other burger joints. You knew had to be good. Well, so I don't know if kids are that easy to trick anymore, but all I know is that's a really great bucket of food. And I'm just going to steal, just want to taste it. Yeah, I see. I would eat that. Kids should eat this. It's a good way to use up leftovers. Tastes great. So I'm just telling you, be happy and eat healthy. I knew this would be a real quick video. Just want to show you when something comes to my mind, what I got to do with it. And I will see you back again with some more great videos. Have a great day.